Do a little empty bean with.
Hello. And here we are, Joshua Tree National Park. It is about 7 o'clock, so the park is technically closed, but all right, and here we go. Wow, it's actually really pretty outside. It's about 68 degrees in the California desert. Yeah. These are the famous Joshua trees.
We'll go up a little bit and you'll see.
Oh. This way?
Yeah, we'll go a little bit more. You see a rabbit?
No. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Oh, that is slippery. Ah. Oh, it's kind of fun. Whoa, whoa. I just need to stay behind him so I don't end up in the rocky area. And then I'm actually going to turn on my assist because I'm going uphill. Whew. I do have to be careful and turn off the assist at times because sometimes I end up getting way too close to him. My tires actually don't hold up very well in the sand. I really have to be careful and pay attention because I could totally eat it if I'm not careful. Especially trying to slow down, it's tricky. Another very tricky thing is I'm not wearing my glasses because they're sliding down in this helmet, and so that makes things it's a little trickier because I can't really, it's kind of blurry. And I'm not completely blind, but it's definitely blurry. It's on.
Oh, it's pretty cool.
Huh?
This is a cool area to record. Are you recording?
Yes.
Alright, here we are.
It doesn't look like we're going downhill, but it feels like we're going downhill. This will definitely help my balance. These sort of very narrow tracks always make me nervous because, as you can see, my antlers are kind of jittery. So I think I kind of struggle with my balance a little bit. I hope he knows where we're going, though, because I have absolutely no sense of direction, and so already I'm like, where the heck are we?